Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Stella's Recipe. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button below to see more interesting recipes. Today we're gonna make a cauliflower kimbap. Last time I made a keto kimbap which used cheese and eggs rather than a steamed rice. So at this time, I'm trying to use cauliflower when making a kimbap. Cauliflower is a good source of fiber, which means that it helps to lose weight. Also, it has a nutrient that helps to prevent cancer. So if you're ready, let's get started. Wash a cucumber with running water and cut them into half. Remove the seeds using a spoon. Slice them vertically. Slice the carrot and cut them into stripes. Place the sliced cucumber and carrot on a tray and sprinkle a salt on a cucumber. Let them pickle for 10 minutes. Put 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan and put a shredded carrot. Put a pinch of salt and stir them for 3 minutes in a medium heat. Put 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan and put a pickled cucumber. Stir them for 3 minutes in a medium heat. Crush 6 eggs and sprinkle a salt inside. Mix them all together using a whisk. Put 1 teaspoon of oil on a pan and spread it using a kitchen towel. Pour an egg mixture on a pan to make a thin layer of egg. Flip it to the other side and let them cook for 1 more minute. Fold it twice and cut them into stripes. Put a sausage in a boiling water and parboil them slightly for 5 minutes. Take them out from the boiling water and slice them into 4 parts. To wash out cauliflower, put 1 cup of water in a bowl and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Put a cauliflower inside and add 1 more cup of water. Leave them for 15 minutes to remove any kind of impurities. Take them off from the water and remove the stem of cauliflower using a small knife. Separate them into several pieces. And then put them in a food processor and grind them into fine particles. Put a ground cauliflower in a pan. Stir them without oil for 12 minutes. By doing this, we can remove moisture inside the cauliflower and prevent lava from getting wet. Put 1 spoon of mayonnaise in 200 grams of ground cauliflower. Mix them using a wooden spoon. Tear out 6 crab meat bar using hands. Put 2 spoons of mayonnaise and mix them all together. Then we're ready to make kimbap. Place a kimbap maker on a cutting board and place a piece of lava. And put a quarter of lava diagonally. The small piece of lava prevents kimbap from tearing out once they're rolled. Put a cauliflower rice on a lava on a 3/4 of its surface. Put 2 cucumbers in the middle. Put a pickled radish on the side. Place a shredded carrot beside it. Then put a crab meat on the top of it. Place an egg beside a carrot. Put a sausage on top. Roll them using a kimbap maker. And gently squeeze the ingredient using hand and roll them to the front. Brush the water to the edge and seal it. When kimbap is done, brush the sesame oil on the surface and cut them into bites. It looks quite like a kimbap, and cauliflower inside kimbap has the same texture of rice. This is perfect kimbap for losing weight. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!